Top 6 Best Smokeless Fire Pits. A smokeless fire pit transforms outdoor experiences by providing warmth and ambience without the annoyance of excessive smoke. These fire pits are designed to burn fuel efficiently, reducing smoke output and making outdoor gatherings more enjoyable. Whether you're looking for a backyard centerpiece or a portable fire pit for camping, we've reviewed the top 6 best smokeless fire pits to help you find the perfect match. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 1. Breeo Smokeless Fire Pit. Breeo is a pioneer in the smokeless fire pit industry, and their flagship model offers superior performance. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this fire pit is designed for durability and resistance to the elements. Its innovative airflow technology enhances combustion, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient burn. The Breeo fire pit is perfect for those who enjoy cooking outdoors, as it is compatible with a range of grilling accessories. If you're looking for a long-lasting and high-performance fire pit, Breeo is an excellent investment. Number 2. Solo Stove Bonfire 2 to 19-inch Smokeless Fire Pit. The Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 is one of the most popular smokeless fire pits available. Its signature 360-degree airflow design allows for an ultra-efficient burn, significantly reducing smoke while providing an even and consistent flame. The compact and portable design makes it ideal for backyard use, camping trips, and beach bonfires. Made with durable stainless steel, this fire pit is built to last and requires minimal maintenance. If you want a hassle-free, low-smoke fire experience, the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 is a must-have. Number 3. Tiki 25-inch Smokeless Patio Fire Pit. For those seeking a stylish and modern smokeless fire pit, the Tiki 25-inch Smokeless Patio Fire Pit is an excellent choice. Its powder-coated steel construction not only adds to its durability, but also enhances its aesthetic appeal. This fire pit is designed with a unique airflow system that minimizes smoke and maximizes heat output. The included wood pack makes it easy to start a fire within minutes, eliminating the need for additional kindling. With its sleek design and efficient burning system, the Tiki Fire Pit is a great addition to any patio or backyard. Number 4. Sunjoy Fire Pit Smokeless 28-in. If you need a larger fire pit for family gatherings, the Sunjoy Fire Pit Smokeless 28-in is a top contender. Designed for both style and functionality, this fire pit features a durable steel body with a hexagonal shape that enhances airflow for better combustion. The smokeless technology ensures a cleaner burn, reducing the need to move around to avoid smoke. This fire pit is ideal for those who want a combination of modern aesthetics and high performance in their outdoor setup. Number 5. Solo Stove Mesa 5.1-inch Tabletop Fire Pit with Stand, Smokeless. For a compact and portable fire pit, the Solo Stove Mesa is a fantastic option. Despite its small size, this tabletop fire pit offers an efficient and nearly smokeless burn. The durable stainless steel design ensures longevity, while its dual fuel capability allows you to use both wood and pellets for a customized experience. Whether you're looking to create a cozy ambience on your patio table or need a portable fire pit for outdoor adventures, the Solo Stove Mesa is a reliable and stylish choice. Number 6. Turbo 19-inch Smokeless Fire Pit for outdoor wood burning. The Turbo 19-inch Smokeless Fire Pit is designed for those who need a balance between size and portability. Its innovative airflow system enhances fuel combustion, resulting in minimal smoke and a more enjoyable fire experience. The powder-coated exterior adds durability, making it resistant to outdoor elements. This fire pit is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient way to enjoy a smokeless fire without the hassle of constant maintenance. Final thoughts. A smokeless fire pit is an excellent investment for those who love spending time outdoors without dealing with excessive smoke. Whether you're looking for a durable, high-performance fire pit or a compact and portable option, these top 6 smokeless fire pits offer the best combination of quality, efficiency, and design. Choose the one that fits your needs and enjoy a cleaner, more enjoyable fire experience every time.